Hi guys, welcome back to another video. What we're gonna be doing today is making slime. So the ingredients you'll be needing is blue dye, glue in a cup, and a little spoon. The glue over here, I'm just having over here because I already poured it only a little bit in here because I didn't have enough glue. So I only put a little bit in there. So you need contact solution also, and shaving cream. So now, let's do it. Also, at the end, it might look like this, but a little smaller, and maybe it will work, and maybe it will not work. Hey. Okay, so I already added the glue inside the cup. So I'm gonna try to mix it together, put it together all in like one spot. Okay. So after that, if you have a little bit of slime, only put a little bit of shaving cream, but more than a slime, so it can be fluffy. Okay. Then you'll want to mix it. Right now it looks horrible and you're like, what is that? Like, it's not even slime. Well, it's gonna be slime later. Okay, so I just got done mixing it. It's all done. I had to put a little bit, only a very tiny bit of more slime. More glue. So, next, sorry. Okay, so next, what you want to do is your slime over here needs that. Okay, you'll need to turn it on. Okay, so you'll need to put a little bit of contact solution and you'll mix. Okay, so now look at this awesome slime I made. Okay, so all I did was just add more contact solution to the slime, and it worked out awesome. Like, I kept on mixing and putting in contact solution, and it worked awesome. But it is very sorry. But it is sorry again. But it is very tiny. Like, very tiny. When I mean very tiny, I mean very tiny, because it's really tiny. Oh no, I have to dollar. Okay. So right now I actually put a little bit of dye. To dye. So now you can just like play with it everywhere. Like, it's just awesome. It's just awesome. So now I have to end the video. And have a great day. If you're new, subscribe. Hit the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And click the like. Bye.